Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to create an animated Instagram post on Lottie files. So let's get started. As you can see, now we're on our home page. When you open your app, it directly takes you to your home page, so you don't have to click somewhere to get here. So in the first section we have create with animated templates, and the second section we have create animated post. So the third option in created animated post is Instagram post. So we're going to go ahead and click on that. And as you can see, the options we have here is canvas. So we've already chosen our canvas, animation, text, background, and full screen. So first we're going to start off by adding our background. As you can see, you have multiple choices for your background. You can set a color, you can take a photo or video in real time, and you can upload a photo or video from your gallery. So in this example, we're going to choose from our gallery. So we're going to select the third option here, and we're going to choose a picture that we like. For example, this one. If the picture is larger than this ratio, you can always move it up and down as you like. For example, let's set it like this. First, what we're going to do is we're going to add animations. So let's click on the animations icon. Here we have emoji animations. So let's add one of them to set an example, for example, the eyes. So to move it around, you just tap on it with your finger, you hold it and you move it around your screen and you center it wherever you like. For example, I want this animation to be in the top right corner. If you want to adjust your animation, you're just going to tap on the animation. As you can see, you can adjust the color palette, grouped colors, loop, speed, or you can delete it if you don't like it. So the color palette. Let's start with the color palette. Let's select the second one. As you see, our animation just changed colors. The third one, it changed colors again. And when you find the correct color palette that you like, you're going to click on apply. After that, what does the loop mean? It means that throughout, this is a photo, but if it was a video, throughout the whole video, if you want it to go in a loop, not stop anywhere, you're going to leave it on loop. If you want it to finish, you're just going to click on no loop. And as you can see, it finishes this, it stops, it freezes till the end of the video or the post or the story, etc. So we're going to click on loop again, so it goes on loop. And speed, you can increase or decrease the speed. You can increase it from 1, that's the default speed. You can increase it to 2 and up to 4. 4 is the maximum. So if you click on speed again, then you're going to decrease the speed to the lowest speed we have, 0.2. The other low speed we have is 0.5, and if you click on 0.5 again, then we have 1, the default speed. If you don't like it, how it looks aesthetically, or it's not satisfying you, is not compelling to you, you can always click on this delete option we have in our right corner, and it will delete it immediately. You can not only add emoji animations, you can also add real animations. So as you can see down here, you have a couple of options for animations, but let's say per se, we don't like any of these animations. We like to add something more relevant. So here when you go, you have an option, all free animations. When you click on the plus, it takes you here. And you have all the free animations, so you can search for an animation that's compatible for you. If you don't find that kind of animation here, you can also go in the search bar and search it by keywords. For example, let's add this little bird. So if you can move this animation same as the previous one just by tapping on it with your finger and holding it. What else you can do is you have all the options that we have for a previous animation. We also have it for this animation. So have a color palette, loop, speed, delete, grouped colors. So you can adjust this animation of your liking, again, like the previous one. So let's change the color palette, for example. So it's the same with the previous one and aesthetically looks more good. When you're done with all your editing, you can just tap anywhere on the screen. So it closes that window for the animation. You can't add text to a post. So the last option we have is full screen. Full screen means you can view your post on full screen, how it looks without any distractions. So this is how it looks. Now we're going to minimize it by clicking in our bottom right corner. And when you're done with everything, when you're satisfied how it looks, you're going to click on share. So here we have the option to share to our stories, to save to device, or to share to Instagram post. In this example, we're gonna save it to our device, so you don't have to share it immediately when you're done. You can save it to your device and share it wherever you like from your camera roll. So we're gonna go ahead and click on save on device. And that's how it's done. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye!